Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is electricity and circuits. So first of all, let's know what is electricity. So electricity is nothing but just flow of electric current. If electric current is flowing through a wire, we can say electricity. Sources of electrical energy. The different sources of electrical energy is available to us from electrical powerhouse like domestic generators, batteries and dry cells. These all are sources of electric energy. Next one is electric current. The electric current is a flow of electric charges. The electric charges flow from one place to another place. It is called electric current. Electric current flow in one direction only. It is unidirectional. Electric current is unidirectional. It flows in only single direction. Next is electric circuit. Electric circuit is the complete path from one terminal. The complete path from one terminal of the cell through the bulb and back to the other terminal of the cell. From one terminal of the cell to the other terminal is called an electric circuit. For example, closed circuit, unbroken path traveled by electricity. If there is no obstacle in between this electric circuit, then it is called closed one. And if it is broken, a broken path is known as open circuit. Next is circuit diagram. What do you mean by circuit diagram? It is a symbolic representation of the electric circuit and electric parts. We used to symbolize the different electric circuits and electrical parts with the help of circuit diagrams. Next is components of electricity. What are the different components? For example, connecting wires. To conduct electricity, we need wires. Help to conduct the electric current and complete the circle. A metallic wire used for the connections in a circuit is also called a lead. It is also called a lead. We used to say it lead, but it is lead. Bulb. It lights up when the electric current flows through the circuit. If the electric current is flowing properly through the circuit, the bulb will glow up. An electric bulb has a filament. We can see, if this one is electric bulb, we can see there is filament is there. It is made up of tungsten. This filament is made up of tungsten. It lights up when we glow bulb. An electric bulb glows when the electric current passes through it. The filament of an electric bulb is made up of a tiny coiled tungsten wire. It is tiny coiled tungsten wire. It is made up of tungsten wire that glow up in a bulb like this. Next is battery. A series combination of two or more cells. Battery is a combination of two or more cells. Two or more cells are connected in series. Just suppose this one is battery, then it is again connect, or more cells are connected, then it will be called battery. So it is a series. Series means like in single series. There one is cell, this one is cell, this one is cell. It is single series in which two or more cells are kept is called battery. Next one is switch. Switch is a simple device that is used to either break the circuit or to complete it. We can use the switch to break the circuit or to complete the circuit. So we can see if we switch on, then what will happen? The bulb will glow up. That means the circuit is complete. And if we switch it off, then bulb will stop glowing. That means the electric circuit has been broken. So these are the two conditions for a switch to work. When a switch is on, a gap in the circuit is bridged by conducting a material through which the current flows. There is a gap. Next one is electric cell or dry cell. An electric cell has two terminals. One is positive while the another one is negative. Just suppose we are having electric cell. This one will be negative. This one will be positive. Inside the electric cell, the electric charges flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Charges flow from negative to positive terminal. For example, connecting wires, bulb, switch, electric cell is used in torch, battery, LED. LED is light emitting diode that we use in our houses nowadays. It is very popular. We use LEDs instead of those tungsten bulb that we used to use earlier. Yes. Now next is electric current. Electric current is carried by a conductor. There are two types. One is conductor and another one is insulator. Conductor is those objects which conduct electricity. Conductors are those objects which conduct electricity. They are called conductors because they allow the electricity to pass through them. And another one is insulators. Insulators do not allow the electricity to pass through them. That is why they are called insulators. Now let's talk about conductor. Material that allow electric current to pass through them. All metals are good conductor of electricity. We can talk about metals. All metals are good conductor of electricity. Like the very good conductor of electricity is, one of them is copper wire. We use copper wire in our homes. Carbon is the only known metal which is good conductor of electricity. All metals are good conductor, but only carbon is a non-metal, but still it is good conductor of electricity. Other non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. Next is electric current is stopped by insulators. Insulators are the materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them. For example, plastic, rubber, wood, glass, polythene, PVC, etc. These all are example of insulators. They do not allow light to pass through them. That is why they are called insulators. Electricity can give us magnetism. When there is some electricity around that object, some magnetism is formed. Electricity is a form of energy which help us with heating effect. Heating effect is that we are using iron to iron our clothes. So it is heating effect. Light effect, you can see the bulb in your house which is there. And magnetic effect also can be seen. If you will keep a needle, you will keep a compass, we can say a compass, we will keep it near any light object, then what will happen? It will deflect. The needle of the compass will deflect on the different direction. This deflection is due to magnetic effect of electric current. So that's all about this chapter. I hope you have understood the concept of this chapter. For more details, stay connected to my channel. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.